Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with one more easy, interesting, time-saving, healthy and versatile breakfast recipe which is very helpful for weight loss. Yeah, you guys have guessed it right. It's nothing but the latest trending recipe, overnight oats. We'll quickly get into the video without any further ado. Add 2 cups of oats. Overnight oats offer a range of health benefits due to their rich fiber and protein content. Overnight oats are healthy for your gut as well as for overall health and well-being. Now let's add a tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds have numerous health benefits like they control various lifestyle metabolic disorders like BP, diabetes, obesity, as they are really rich in high fiber and omega-3 levels. And then add 1.5 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. And then we'll add 1 cup of lukewarm milk and some yogurt or curd. And yeah, curd improves immunity and supports healthy digestion. Some cinnamon powder, and cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, manage type 2 diabetes, reduce cholesterol levels, BP, also some cancers. And then finally top it up with some yummy fruits, raisins, almond flakes, pista flakes, and then you're done. All you have to do is keep this in the refrigerator overnight and have it in the morning. That's it. In this busy life routine, this is the best time-saving breakfast, guys. You must give it a try. So do try it and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching the video. We'll catch up in the next one. Shalom, bye-bye. Take care.